Hey, how you guys doing today? Do you like casseroles? We like casseroles, and we're going to make one today that you may not have had before. It's a pizza casserole, a pizza pasta casserole. I have my pan preheating, spraying it with some nonstick spray. I've got some Italian sausage. This is sweet Italian. You can use any type of Italian that you want. It doesn't really matter. Just you're making it for you and your family, but sweet is what I found. I'm going to open the package. Always be sure whenever you're opening the package, you take that little paper off right there. Okay, and we're just going to put it in here. I have my pan on about medium. I'm going to turn it up just a little bit higher so we can get it browned. Just going to break it up. Now I'm not going to put any peppers or onions in here. You could put peppers, onions, mushrooms if you'd like. But we're going mainly meat today. Doing it this way, and then I'm gonna just hit it this way and start it breaking up. It will break up easier as it starts to cook a little bit more by doing it in the little squares like that. And I also have a pot on over here so I can boil the pasta. So we'll just wait for all this to get a little bit further along, and I'll bring you back and show you what we're doing next. Okay, our sausage is browned, and I've already got the grease removed from it. Okay. You want to cook your pasta al dente, which is not quite done. So I'm going to take the pasta over and drain it, and then we'll come back and get the rest of the ingredients put in this casserole. Okay, I have my pasta drained. I'm going to spray my 9x13 dish. Pour my noodles in here. It doesn't matter what type of noodles you like, folks, or what type you use. Just use what you like. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is I have a little bit of olive oil. Sprinkle just, I don't know, a couple of tablespoons to keep it from sticking together. Use whatever olive oil you like, it doesn't really matter. That is a Tuscan herb olive oil, my favorite. Okay, now this is ricotta cheese. Now, to be honest with you, I've made it without ricotta, and it was a little dry. So it is better to add the ricotta. I'm going to try to mix this in a little bit so everything spreads out. Got a good start on the melting there. Okay. I have my sausage. Now guys, as always, I will give you the full ingredient list and amounts in the description, so don't try to figure out what I'm doing. You don't have to. I have pizza sauce. Parmesan cheese, freshly grated. A little bit of garlic powder. Half teaspoon, teaspoon, whatever you like. Okay. Gotta give myself some working room, guys. And I have about 4 cups of mozzarella. I'm going to put about 2 cups in right here, and we're going to reserve the other 2 cups to put on top of it. I'm just going to mix this up. Get everything mixed through. Guys, let me tell you, this is so good. This honestly is the second time I've made this dish this week. So I hope it becomes a family favorite to you as well. Have you ever made a casserole that's similar to this? If you have, let me know in the comments. Doesn't have to be 1000% all mixed up, because it will mix up more as it bakes. I'm just trying to get the sauce and that cheese fairly well distributed. It's not rocket science, it's just cooking. Okay, we're going to take the rest of the cheese and sprinkle it on top. Like I say, that's probably about 2 cups, cup and a half. Okay, spread that out. That way we got some good baked cheese on top. And last but not least, we have pepperoni. Okay. We're just going to spread them out on top of our pizza casserole. Now you could use the big pepperonis, you could use these, you could use the minis, just whatever flavor you like. And you could also use turkey Italian sausage or turkey pepperoni. Just depends on what you and your family like to eat. Okay, I have my oven preheated. I'm going to finish spreading these pepperonis on here, get this in the oven, and we're going to come back and have lunch in just a few minutes. The timer just went off, so let's grab this casserole out of here. Now guys, what do you think about that? That looks absolutely delicious. I'm going to let this casserole sit for a few minutes while I bake some garlic bread to go with it. That way the cheeses kind of firm up just a little bit, and I'll show you what it looks like whenever I put it on the plate. Okay, I just took the garlic bread, or Texas toast I should say, out of the oven. So I've got my Texas toast. I'm going to get into this. Look at that cheese. Let's get the rest of this. Now this could have set another minute or two, guys, to firm up a little bit more, but that's okay. It doesn't have to. I just wanted to go ahead and show you what this was looking like and what we're getting ready to get into. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this fast. It doesn't take long to make this. It comes together in about 10-12 minutes, bakes for about 35 to 40 minutes. And guys, that is a bowl of comfort food. Subscribe to the channel, share the video, and as always, I'll see you on the next video.